Hello everybody, welcome to jurycentral.com online classes for law exams. So today I will be dealing with you the part 2 MCQs of jurisprudence for your upcoming LLM entrance examination. So whether you're preparing for DUET, ALAT, GMI, AMU, BHU or any other exams, the questions related to jurisprudence plays an important role in the examination and it also plays a very important role in gaining more marks, because more and more questions are asked from the jurisprudence part. So yesterday I have discussed with you the part 1 of jurisprudence questions. Today I will be discussing with you the other part, that is part 2, and let's see like how many questions I will be able to cover in this video, and if there are any questions left I will be covering in the next session. So before starting this session I would request all of you to kindly like and subscribe to the channel. We are receiving very less number of subscriptions and also likes and shares from your side. So people kindly do that, because it is beneficial to all of you. In case if I am posting a relevant video for your upcoming entrance examination, you may miss. So this is the reason why I always tell you to subscribe to the channel. So let us see what are the kinds of questions. So yesterday I have dealt with you the total number of 120 questions, and I will be dealing with you from question number 121. I will be sharing the link of part 1 in the description box below, and would also share the link in the I button of this video. So let us start. Question number 121. Ownership to patents, copyright and trademarks and the right to an easement is called option number A, incorporeal ownership. 122. Possession is prima facie evidence of title of ownership. Hence option number A, long adverse possession confers title even to a property which originally belonged to another. 123. A corporate aggregate is an incorporated group of coexisting persons. 124. A legal personality is a particular device by which law creates units to which it ascribes certain powers. It is merely a convenient juristic device by which the problem of organizing rights and duties is carried out. The above statement can be attributed to option number B, patent. 125. Which of the following duties have been included by Austin in the category of absolute duties? So the correct option is option number D, 1, 2 and 4. Let us see. Duties owned to persons indefinitely, self-regarding duties, and duties owed to the sovereign. 1, 2 and 3. Question number 125. 126. The right of an owner of land not to have trespassed upon it is option number B, antecedent right. 127. Rule of adjustum generis means the words of a statute should be understood in their context. 128. The law made by dominions, British colonies and trust territories is known as option number B, colonial legislation. 129. According to the theory of social utilitarianism as propounded by Ehring, it means option number D, law is a means to social ends. 130. The intimate relation between economics and jurisprudence was first noticed by option number A, Karl Marx. 131. Consider the following 4 types of legal doctrine. This is option number. You have to arrange this in a correct sequence. So first comes imperative theory of law, then comes Volgeist, then comes social solidarity, and the last comes social engineering. Question number 132. The application of physical force of the state for punishment of law is option number A, punishment. 133. Which theory of punishment is based on the humanistic principle that even if the offender commits a crime, he doesn't cease to be a human being? This is option number D, reformative theory. 134. Res nullius rule implies option number C, for a previously ownerless object who took it first become the owner. 135. Law doesn't confer ownership on this option number C, both A and B, unborn child and an insane person. 136. Who said ownership is the entirety of the powers of use and disposal allowed by law? This is option number B, Pollock. Question number 117. The analysis of rights into 4 pairs of correlatives was done by option number B, Hofield. 130. The binding force of precedent is destroyed or weakened by this option number B, abrogated decision. 139. That true is right reason in agreement with nature was propagated by option number D, Cicero. 140. Retribution under the retributive theory of punishment means the wrongdoer, option number B, pays for his wrongdoings. 141. Which one of the following theories of law considers law as an instrument of suppression, its main function being to secure power relationship? This is option number C, Marxist theory of law. 142. In which of the following categories did Henry May not divide the society? This is option number B, progressive society. Question number 143. Kelson's theory of law is free from ethics, politics, sociology, history, religion, etc. It must be, in other words, be pure. Option number D. 144. The main purpose of corporation soul is to, option number B, maintain continuity of an office. 145. A conventional custom is legally binding because it is, option number D, incorporated in the contract between the parties. 146. Ownership without possession can be termed as, option number D, incorporeal ownership. 147. Who among the following propounded the theory of possession which lays stress not on animus but on de facto control? This is option number B, Pollock. 148. Right of ownership of a partner in a firm is, option number B, co-ownership. 149. Ownership which is imperfect but capable of being perfect on fulfillment of some condition is, option number D, known as contingent ownership. 150. About whom it is said that he pushed natural law out through the door and let it come by window. So these words are used for option number C, Dugwitt. 151. The concept of Austin's sovereignty is influenced by ideologies of which of the following person? This is option number A, Hobbes. Question number 152. Which one of the following is not a mode of acquisition of possession? This is option number D, acquisition. 153. Custom is to society what law is to the state. It has been said by, option number B, Salmond. 154. The state is a synthesis of family and civil society. It is a unity of the universal principle of family and the particular principle of civil society. So the above philosophy is of option number A, Hegel. Question number 155. Which of the following theories relating to legal rights has been propounded by Ehring? So Ehring has propounded interest theory. 156. Which of the following are correct combinations? These option number 2 and 3. Austin and positivism, and 3, Roscoe Pound and sociological school of jurisprudence. Question number 157. Judges not only discover law but also they made law. This view is supported by option number D, Blackstone. 158. Dealing with the sources of law, who amongst the following said the courts fuel life into the dead words of statute? Is option number B, Gray. 159. Law is not universal in nature like language, it varies with people and ages. This proposition follows from the theory of option number B. This is a proposition of Volge's theory. Question number 160. Some shared morality is essential to the existence of any society. The observation of option number D, Hart. 161. Law is uncertain and certainty of law is a legal myth. This is a statement of option number A, Jerome Frank. Question number 162. The principal jurist of the philosophical school was option number D, Hegel. Question number 163. Legal right is an interest. This is option number C, both A and B. 164. According to Austin, duties can be classified into two categories, relative and absolute. Absolute duties have no corresponding rights. Which one of the following is not an absolute duty? According to Austin, this is option number B, duty towards a person. Question number 165. An ideal of Lord Krishna in a temple is option number B, a legal person. Question number 166. Salmon regards legal status of animals as option number B, mere objects of rights and duties. 167. Which of the following jurists doesn't recognize a child in mother's womb as a legal person? This is option number A, Paton. 168. Which of the following is not a theory relating to corporate personality? This is option number D, functional theory. Question number 169. Possession is the objective realization of ownership. Who said this? This is option number D, Ehring. Question number 170. According to Hofield, the jural correlative of claim or right is option number A, duty. 171. The meaning of corporation soul is option number B, an incorporated group of successive persons. 172. Match the following jural correlatives. Let us match. So claim is duty, power is no claim, power is liability, and immunity is disability. 173. Who said that the right is important because it has trumping features? It has been said by option number A, Alan Buchanan. Question number 174. According to Salmon, right to protection of animals from cruelty is option number C, moral right. 175. Savigny wrote his essay Worm Werewolf as a reaction to option number C, Thiebert's proposal for legal unification of Germany based on natural law philosophy. Question number 176. Austin's book, The Province of Jurisprudence, determined is option number B. His lectures delivered at University of London. 177. Jeremy Bentham is said to be the propounder of all of the above: theory of utilitarian individualism, B. doctrine of hedonism, and C. theory of pleasure and pain. 178. The apostle of individualism was destined to become the founder of state socialism. The above statement by Dicey refers to option number B. Bentham. 179. Which one of the following is not a correct classification of possession? This is option number D. direct and indirect possession. 180. How did Aristotle describe justice in restoring equality when this has been disturbed? This is option number B. corrective justice. 181. Which one of the following proposition is not correct? Physical control is the essence of ownership. So this is actually not correct. It's not the essence of ownership. 182. Which one of the following statement is correct? This is rights and duties are correlative because option number A, man who has a right and also a corresponding duty. 183. Which of the following propositions are accepted by three theories of rights? This is option number B. 2, 3 and 4. Rights are for satisfaction of interest. 3. Rights are recognized because there is a will of the individual to exercise. And 4. Rights and duties are correlatives. Question number 184. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? This is option number D. Usage, common law. No, usage is not something determined from common law because it's a custom. 185. Who has defined ownership as a plenary control over an object? This is option number A. Holland. 186. Match list 1 with list 2. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. List 1 contains the name of Joris and list 2 contains the name of theories. So Fuller has given inner mortality of law. Bentham has given utilitarianism. Maine has given status to contract, and Dugwit has given social solidarity. Question number 187. The true test of possession is not the physical power of exclusion but the improbability of interference by others. The above statement can be attributed to option number A. Salmon. 188. In which case it was held that a bundle of notes found on the floor of a shop passes into the possession of the finder. This is option number B. Bridges versus Hawksworth. 189. Elements required for adverse possession. This is option number D. All of the above. Continuity, hostile intention, peaceful and undisturbed possession for prescribed period. 190. Rights are powers which is for general well-being that the individual should possess. This has been said by, so this statement is attributed to option number D. T.H. Green. Question number 191. A legislation elected by state legislation falls in the category of option number B. Supreme law. 192. Case law is a gold in the mine, a few grains of precious metal to the tons of useful matter, while the statute law is coin of the realm ready for immediate use. This statement was given by Salmon. 193. According to Hart, law is concerned with option number A. obligation. 194. According to Austin, customary law is option number B. positive morality. 195. Austin definition of law ignores option number A. customs. Question number 96. Gradual and organic process theory was laid down by option number C. Burke. 197. Mark the incorrect statement. This option number D. Savigny sociological jurisprudence because Savigny belongs from historical jurisprudence. 198. Which of the following is more certain and precise? This option number A. legislation. 199. Which of the following is not mentioned in the Hofieldian scheme? This option number C. Jural contradictions. 200. When a power is coupled with a liberty to exercise, it is called discretionary power. 201. Analytical positivism doesn't mean that option number C. certain inherent moral quality is an essential feature of law. This is not the feature of analytical positivism. 202. Law should continue to support minimum morality has been pleaded by option number A. Lord Devlin. Question number 203. In which of the following cases the court pierces the well of the corporate personality? Pierce the corporate personality. This is option number C. Daimler Company versus Continental Tire Company. 204. Which one of the following is a legal person? This is option number B. Damodar Valley Corporation. 205. Which of the following combination is or are correct? This is option number A. Realist is only a gear. Question number 206. Realist theory of gear K, also known by option number D. Organic theory. 207. one of the important elements in the concept of possession is possessionis, which means option number B, effective control of the object. Question number in 208, in Bridges versus Hawksworth, the finder was allowed to keep the goods on the ground that option number C, the item was found in an area where public is admitted and the finder was one among them. 209, who defines ownership as plenary control over an object? This is option number C, Holland. We have already dealt this question. 110, when the right of one person is transferred to another person, it is known as option number B, derivative title. 211, if the jural correlative of right is duty, then liberty is option number D, no claim or no right. 212, antecedent and remedial rights is a classification made by option number C, Holland. 213, A owes B rupees 500, which has become time, but B's claim to rupees 500 is in the nature of an imperfect legal right. 214, Austin positive morality is the other name for option number A, customs without sanction. Question number 215, statutes are sources of law, not parts of the law itself. This statement is made by option number B, Savigny. Question number 216, there is clear cut division between the spheres of the legislature and the judiciary. The former makes the laws and the latter applies them. Which one of the following propounds this doctrine? So this doctrine has been propounded by option number A in analytical jurisprudence. 217, it is said that the next step forward in the long path of man's progress must be from jurisprudence to jurimetrics. In this context, what does jurimetrics signify? So it signifies scientific investigation of legal problems, increasing awareness of the fruits of interdisciplinary cooperation, and 4, relationship between law, economy and society. Option number B. 218, who among the following divided the sources of law into formal sources and material sources? This is option number C, Salmon. 219, which one out of the following statement is not correct with reference to Savigny's theory of Volgis? This is option number D, law is an instrument of social change and social reform. 220, why is the expiatory theory of punishment obsolete now? Because it is based on moral doctrines. So we will conclude our this session with question number 220, the total number of 300 questions. Let us see. So these are the questions we will be dealing with you tomorrow. And one more thing, these questions are very important in nature. These questions have been repeated so many times in various LLM entrance examinations. So kindly go through this question again and again, and if you face any doubt, you may share the same in the comment section below. And also people, please subscribe us and give a big thumbs up to this video, and also share this channel among your friends who are preparing for this upcoming LLM exam, because it is beneficial to everybody. And it is beneficial also when I am providing this material at free of cost. So kindly people do that. And with this note, I am signing off. Have a great day.